Hey there, welcome to another video on building a practical Shopify app with React Router 7. In this video, I'm going to talk about Shopify Partner, Shopify ecosystem, how you can start being a Shopify partner, start building team, and start building your app. If you're already in the Shopify ecosystem, you can skip this video, completely beginner. So if you are new to Shopify, this video is for you. So here's the thing. And in the previous video, I discussed how important it is to build a Shopify app. If you have not watched this, please do watch the previous video. But in this video, I'm going to explain more and also share some of the requirement for taking the course, which I forgot to share in the previous video. Here's the thing. In the Shopify ecosystem, you can start becoming a partner by going to Shopify Partner. I'm already logged in, so what I do is I open Incognito and search for Shopify Partner account. When you search for partner account, it will give you a link, become a partner. It is completely free. Once you become a Shopify partner, Shopify will let you create apps, create team, create development store completely for free until you go live. The good thing about Shopify app is, Shopify partner is, you can create development store that will have access to the Shopify Plus level. Shopify Plus is a Shopify plan that gives you access to a lot of features like Shopify Market and some other features. So if you create development store, it mostly have all of those features, and it's completely free until you start making money on that. So this is the good thing about a Shopify partner. I will close this. It is just creating an account. You can do that. You can have multiple partner account. It is completely okay. But if you go to your account, this is a test account that I have, and in here I only have some example apps that I have created. This is not my actual account. That's why you only see my test account. I have some test development store which okay. I don't have any development store, but I can start creating some. I have some development store which is here, but your client store will be listed here if you see them. If you click in this dev dashboard, this is a new feature that Shopify introduced. You can go to the development store and it will show you all the development store that you have. This is the dashboard of the Shopify partner. By the way, before you take this course, these are the requirements that I have to share with you. We are going to use React Router 7, which is a framework on top of React. So I assume you have a strong knowledge of JavaScript, or at least you have experience working with React. Building basic websites with React is okay, but I will try to explain the basic of React Router and Remix as well. If you're good with Remix, this is going to be a great start for you. You will not have any issues. But if you don't have, I highly recommend you to check out the documentation of React Router 7 and explore how it works, especially the routes, how you handle data when you submit a form, how you save data in the database, and how you configure the basic thing. Other than that, most of the things are already configured. I try to explain to you. It will be easy, but these are the requirements for you to take this course. But if you don't know any of them, I highly recommend you to do it. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, obviously that is something that you already know. This is a bit advanced, more advanced than that. So in here, let me give you a more overview of what you see in a partner dashboard. In the payouts, you will see all the payments that you make if you are selling anything from your app. Most of your time you will spend in the app distribution. In here, you will see all the development store, but if you click in the view dashboard, it will give you all the development app that you have and how many installed they have. If you go to each app, it will give you analytics of the app as well. It will show you the monitoring, logs, setting, the versions that your app has. And this is still in beta, I believe, but this is that Shopify is adding a lot of new feature to development dashboard, which is great. We are seeing a lot of new updates here, but this style is better. In here, you will start creating apps, and that is going to be where you will configure them. I have some ship ready app, which is another project that I already had, but you get the idea of how the partner dashboard works and where do you start. Once you come here, as a developer, you have two jobs. Either you build team or you build app. Both market is great, but I prefer apps because you have more flexibility. Here's the team market. If you build a team, you can start selling it in the Shopify market, and they go for a very good price. So you can start selling team as well, but this course is only for app development. I also have course on team development in the channel, which you can check. But this one is only for app developments, and I will focus on the app side of the course. That is the requirement. And if you have not created your partner account yet, please do that. That is the first step towards your building your app, and that's the important part. By the way, whenever you start submitting your app to the Shopify, for example, you will come here and choose a distribution. This is going to be a public app. I'm going to sell it in Shopify. Once you select this, before submission, I think Shopify will charge you a little bit. Not sure if Shopify mentioned that there, but yeah, there used to be $100. Now they changed it to $19. But yeah, that is something that you have to know before like proceeding. It is a one-time fee that you enter the Shopify market. Once you pay that fee, it is really easy to make sales on that. So yeah, I'm not promising that you can easily make sales, but if you make a great app, you do a proper marketing, you do all the things that I mentioned in this video series, you will definitely grow in the Shopify market. But yeah, that's it. I hope this video has been informative, and if you have any other question, you can comment below this video. I will try to answer them in the future videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.